Hello guys, this is Jones10395 with a very short video for you today. This will be just showing you the difference between a suppressed and unsuppressed airsoft gun. To put the conspiracy theorists to rest, I'm just going to prove that it does in fact make a difference. If it's a subtle difference or an extreme difference, that'll be up to you. But on my M16 or my Slayer, it has a subtle difference but noticeable. On my G36 it has a very noticeable difference, but that is dead right now. I don't have a battery charged for it, so I'm going to shoot my Slayer for you. So here we go.